Welcome back. You're watching a series of short videos on working with Aptana for FMIS 2201. This is Nick Hassan. At this point, you've completed the web page that has the picture and the styles. And what we're going to do next is to publish this to the web server. Now, for the exercise, you'll need 3 screenshots. The first screenshot is a screenshot of this code here, showing that you've successfully installed Aptana. So make sure you take the screenshot of the whole page. So just go ahead and take a screenshot of that. That's one screenshot. And the next screenshot I want to take is the screenshot of the page actually working. So the easiest way to do this is to use the File Explorer or Finder. Go into your semester project, go into public_HTML, and double-click on index.html. That launches the file in a browser. And as you can see, it's working fine. I need to take a screenshot of this one too. It's the second screenshot. And then make sure you show the URL at the top there as you take the screenshot, showing me that this is successfully displaying on your PC. At this point, we haven't published this page to the server yet. That's what we're going to do next. So let's go back. So I'm going to copy this text, replace the paragraph with this text, save it, and just test to make sure that I've got it okay. There we go. I just wrote my first web page. I've made some changes. I am on the public internet. I'm now ready to publish this to the server. And in order to publish to the server, we need to connect Aptana to the web server. And the web server is called Pascal. That's just the name of the server. And in order to do that, right-click on the semester project. And then click on Publish. And here you'll see an option that says Run Web Deployment Wizard. What that means is it's going to connect Aptana to the web server. So we're going to run this just once. And we're going to connect to the server using FTP. This is something that we learned in our communications chapter, remember? File Transfer Protocol, the FTP. Click on Next. And it'll display a page which is basically the configuration for the connection to the Pascal server. So the details of the fields that you need to fill out is in the slides. I'll ask you to go to the slides and check that out. I'm just going to go ahead and type in the name of the server. I can give it any name. Right now I'm going to call it Pascal server. Can be any name, doesn't matter, it's just a name. And I need to choose the secured FTP, not just FTP. We're going to choose the secured FTP because we want to make sure that our connection to the Pascal server is secured. Now this is a very important field to fill in, which is the actual official name of the server. And the official name of the server is Pascal, all lower caps, .d.umn.edu. You might want to memorize that name because you'll be using it a lot in either fixing this configuration or answering a question in an exam. And then you'll enter your regular email username, your UMD username. Mine is N Hassan. And your regular password. And go ahead and click on Save to make sure that that's saved in Aptana. That way the link will always be there when you launch Aptana. Otherwise, if you don't click on Save, it's going to lose the link and you'll get confused. The other field to fill in is your location or your folder on the server. And the folder on the server is in the home folder. So after the slash, type home, slash again, and then your username again. Remember, don't type my username, type your username. And once you've done that, you can test it. Click on test to make sure that the connection works. And if everything is okay, if you've typed a password correctly, it should display the following message saying that your connection has succeeded. Just like that. Click on OK. And you can click on finish now. Don't click on any of these automatic syncs. Probably not a good idea. Just leave it be. Click on finish. And once you've done that, you'll say, some of you, you'll discover it'll say, oh, do you want to create a new master password? We don't want to do that right now. I'm going to not mess with that. So I'm going to say no. And in Aptana, you'll see the connection set up, because next to the connections, you'll see an arrow that you can click. And right there, you'll see the Pascal server appear. And of course, if you look at it, this part of Aptana is actually trying to connect to the Pascal server. So right now, I've already got some stuff in here. In your case, you won't see the public underscore HTML because you haven't uploaded it yet. But in my case, I already got stuff, and that's why I can see it here. But anyway, all I do is right-click on semester project. Now this time, you'll notice that there's a choice here that says transfer files. So under publish, transfer files, and on the right side, you'll see two windows appear. On the left side is your PC or your Mac with the public underscore HTML. If the public underscore HTML folder doesn't appear, like on the Mac, all you have to do is click on semester project, and it should appear, it should refresh and display on the left side of the window. On the right side is the Pascal server. Now in my case, I've already got public underscore HTML here. In your case, you shouldn't be able to see anything other than a few files that's set up by the system. Well, now we're ready to upload the folder up to the Pascal server. So just click once on public underscore HTML. Don't click twice. Don't open it up. If you make a mistake, just close it up again, click once, and then click on the right yellow arrow to upload it up to the Pascal server. And off it goes. Once it's completed uploading, you'll see it says 3 items uploaded, and everything should be okay, and you should see your public underscore HTML appear on the right side. You can check, make sure that everything's uploaded correctly. And there we go. And now you can view your file online. Now to do that, open up a browser and type the URL of your web page, just like you type Amazon.com or bestbuy.com. What you'll be typing instead is the Pascal server name, which is pascal.d.umn.edu / and then a tilde, which is a squiggly line located usually in the top left-hand corner of your keyboard, and then type your username after that. Press enter, and you should now see the uploaded file on the server. Now I'm on the public internet. Do you see me? Go ahead and take a screenshot of that, making sure that I can see the Pascal name at the top, and submit your assignment.